Roll-bond evaporator is made of aluminum sheet and copper aluminum tube, which is mainly used for freezing and refrigeration. Aluminum has better thermal conductivity and better refrigeration, corrosion resistance, and high safety. Freezer roll-bond evaporator is the main heat exchanger of refrigeration system. Low temperature and pressure refrigerant evaporates into steam, absorbs the heat of the cooled material, reduces the temperature of the material, and achieves the purpose of frozen food.